Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're taking a look at one of the most powerful floor cleaning tools you can add to your home, the Tineco Floor ONE S5 Smart Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop. If you're tired of sticky messes, pet hair, spills, and constant sweeping followed by mopping, this all-in-one cleaner is built to simplify your entire routine with smart technology and serious performance. Let's start with its standout feature, the iLoop Smart Sensor. This real-time sensor detects how dirty your floor is and automatically adjusts suction, water flow, and brush power. Instead of guessing or switching modes manually, the S5 handles everything for you, saving battery and giving deeper cleaning where it actually matters. The digital display shows dirt levels, cleaning progress, battery life, and maintenance reminders at a glance. Clean floors become incredibly straightforward. Because it's cordless, you get full freedom to move around your home without tangling or unplugging. The improved brush head design reaches closer to baseboards and corners, meaning you cover more surface with every swipe. And for anyone with pets, the soft brush roller picks up hair effectively while preventing tangles, keeping the cleaning process smooth. One of the most practical features is its dual tank system. Clean water stays separated from dirty water at all times, so you're never pushing grime back onto your floor. After use, the self-cleaning function washes the brush and internal tubing automatically, reducing odor and maintenance while keeping everything ready for the next cleaning session. The long run time gives you enough power to handle bigger spaces without stopping, and its slim, space-saving design fits neatly into closets or corners. Whether you're dealing with daily kitchen spills, dried sticky messes, or constant pet debris, the Tineco Floor ONE S5 delivers fast, efficient cleaning that actually feels effortless. If you're looking to upgrade your cleaning game with a smart, powerful, and easy-to-use wet-dry vacuum, this model is definitely worth checking out. Make sure to grab yours using the link below. And if you enjoy daily product reviews like this, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more GadgetVerse breakdowns. Buy yours on Amazon today.